Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the BROLEO replacement motherboard for the iPhone 6. Specifically, this is the 16GB version, and it comes unlocked with the Touch ID fingerprint functionality. If you've got an iPhone 6 that's seen better days, perhaps a damaged motherboard, this could be a viable solution to breathe new life into your device. The key selling point here is that it's a direct replacement. The old motherboard can be swapped out for this one, potentially saving you the cost of a brand new phone. It's designed for the US version of the iPhone 6, so make sure that matches your device. Now, a word of caution: installation. The manufacturer recommends professional installation, and for good reason. Working with phone components, especially the motherboard, requires a delicate touch and a good understanding of electronics. If you're not comfortable with disassembling and reassembling your iPhone, it's best to leave it to the experts to avoid causing further damage. The BROLEO motherboard boasts a durable lifespan, which is always a plus. When you're dealing with replacement parts, longevity is key. You want to be sure that the new component will last. One thing to keep in mind is compatibility. This particular model is designed for the iPhone 6, and it's crucial to choose the correct model for your specific phone. Double-check the specifications and ensure it's the right fit before making a purchase. The fact that this motherboard comes unlocked with Touch ID is a significant advantage. It means you won't have to worry about complicated unlocking procedures or losing fingerprint functionality after the replacement. It should be a seamless transition, assuming the installation goes smoothly. In conclusion, the BROLEO replacement motherboard for the iPhone 6 offers a potential solution for reviving a damaged device. The unlocked Touch ID and direct replacement design are definite pluses. However, professional installation is highly recommended due to the delicate nature of the components. If you're looking to extend the life of your iPhone 6 and are willing to invest in professional installation, this could be a worthwhile option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.